Kung hindi lang ako yung nakakita ng nagwa-viral na lip product na to, at dahil isa akong marites, gusto ko din siya masubukan. This is from Says Lady. Ito yung kanilang tinted lip balm. And this is specifically the shade 01. Kung makikita ninyo, meron akong chapped lips. And it's really painful. Alam niyo naman ang sagot sa mga dry lips, chapped lips, lip balm. Try muna natin yung itsura niya sa baba. Hoy! Oh, wow! Do you see the difference? Like kanina? Compare ngayon? Ito yung may product, ito yung wala. Nakita nyo naman. Ginawa niya lang mas healthy looking, mas mukhang cherry yung lips ko. Try natin mag-isang swipe lang sa taas. Tingnan natin yung effect. See? Kaya pala siya viral. Now, I'm trying this sa full application. And here it is kapag fully applied. What I like about sa mga ganitong klaseng product is hindi siya nagsistay sa mga dry patches mo. Unlike na ibang tints na na-try ko, imbes na mas ma-enhance yung look mo, it will make you look more unhealthy. It will just give you that enough moisture na hindi overly glazed. So talagang healthy lang yung ibibigay niyang itsura ng lips mo. Try kong tanggalin yung moisture. Tignan natin kung ano yung stain na ibibigay niya. Oh yes. Ang ganda. Hindi siya kulay neon pink na palagi natin nakikita everywhere. So this is really suitable for guys, for women, even for kids. I think pwede itong masuot kasi yung kulay niya is hindi striking. They have this in 3 shades, which is the 01, 02, and 03. O diba, madaling tandaan yung pangalan. And I feel like this is the product that I will hoard more kasi hindi talaga awkward yung pagka-pink niya and ang tagal ko na naghahanap ng tinted lip balm na ganito yung kulay. Ang ganda rin ng dalawa nilang shade if you want that more bold colors. Pero at the same time, tinted lang siya. And of course, it's a lip balm. Kaya habang pinapaganda ka niya, inaalagaan niya yung lips mo. This specific shade will definitely go to my personal kit. So if I were you, dahil nga sobrang viral nito, palagi siyang sold out, check out nyo na dyan si Yellow Basket.